Hi friends, do you know how to pronounce this word? It is Gen Z as per British pronunciation and Gen Z according to American pronunciation. The American pronunciation is more popular than British pronunciation. So all over the world the word is pronounced as Gen Z. Gen Z actually stands for generation. The new generation of people. How do they see things like romance, dating, lovemaking and marriage? Previously, any relationship meant something that led people to marriage. Now things have changed a lot. The new generation of people see things not like that. Actually, Gen Z relationship is far more realistic. It maintains relationship with many, knowing many people, dealing with them, understanding, knowing them better, and finally deciding what they want. But it is not easy to know the dating terms. There are many dating terms which are unfamiliar to many of us. For example, ghosting. Ghosting is abrupt and unexpected cessation of or stopping of all kinds of communication. That is ghosting. Another one is binging. It refers to a situation where one keeps another one as a potential substitute, like reserve players in sports. For example, some of the players will be on bench, which means they are reserve players. If one relationship is broken, no problem. They will have the substitute and they can have friendship with them. Binging. Another one is cushioning. It is meant for maintaining multiple romantic connections. Multiple romantic connections simultaneously. Often as a backup plan, if primary relation ends or broken. There is cushioning. So many dating terms are there. These are some of them. How the new generation people think and act in nowadays we can't even imagine. The basic connecting link for all these people is generally Instagram. Nowadays anyone would ask what's your Instagram ID. They don't want a YouTube link or a Facebook link. They want Insta ID. What's your Insta ID? So Instagram is a common platform where these people meet, chat and make relationship. And they may suddenly stop, they may go for another one. So they would know a lot of people. And from them they make a necessary choice. What is good for them. They would understand these people better by knowing each other very clearly and thoroughly. That is called Gen Z or Gen Z relationship. Thank you.